for these hoes when you put the shimmer on top. Hello everyone. Today I am so excited. You guys have no idea. Like, this video is literally in my dream. As you guys may know, I am a huge fan of Yesstyle, and I have been a huge fan of Yesstyle for a long time. So I actually wanted to do a video with Yesstyle for a really long time. In my head, I had all of these ideas of all these different hauls and videos and like cool ideas that I could do with Yesstyle, but I just didn't have the money to do it. So I'm like, one day I'll be able to do these videos. Maybe one day Yesstyle will reach out to me. And then one day I woke up, checked my email, and I had an email from Yesstyle. Me! This person. And here we are. So Yesstyle was very kind enough to give me money. They gave me money to spend on their website. So Yesstyle is like my sugar daddy in this video, okay? They was like, girl, get whatever you want. And I was like, okay, daddy. So the first thing that I got is actually something that I bought with my own money, but you can get it off Yesstyle, so the link will be in the description, okay? I got the Red Velvet Love Kit. I actually made a whole review on this kit. If you guys want to go check it out, it'll be in the little eye up there and in the description box below as well. But the Red Velvet Love Kit is basically a collab between Etude House and Red Velvet, and it has these 5 different shades for each member, and they're all varying shades of red, basically. Duh, Red Velvet. But if you guys really want to see the review on these, then go check it out. See, I already opened it, that's why all the cards sliding out like that. But just ignore that, just ignore it. And then next is my big ass food container full of Yesstyle product, okay? This is literally a food container. I could put my lunch in here afterwards. So I just bought like a ton of lipsticks, girl. As I was browsing through Yesstyle, I was like, I want to get a few lipsticks. And I actually asked you guys on Instagram what you guys wanted me to buy. So a lot of you guys said 3CE, which duh, I absolutely love 3CE. They're my favorite brand, so I was gonna buy that anyway. So I was like, okay, let me go through 3CE and get some lipsticks. I bought 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, I bought 6 different lipsticks from 3CE. It's actually the lip tints, to be specific. And when they came in the mail, I didn't realize that I basically bought 6 of the same color. They're not exactly the same color, but I'll just show you. Clearly I have a type. This one is really different than the other ones, but like, Darcey, what? And it matches my shirt and the lipstick I'm wearing right now. I've got Private, which is like kind of a dark red color, Near and Dear, Pink Break, Know Better, Go Now, and Save Me. And the only thing that I hate about Yesstyle is that they put on like these stickers that I had to rip off, but like it never all the way comes off, so you just have like this awkward sticker here. And I know it's just a box, but like, you're ruining my product shot, Yesstyle. So this is what the products look like actually when you take them out of the box. They're like these monochromatic lipstick tubes, which I love. I love everything monochromatic. Like, so this is the color Save Me. It's like a bright orangey red color. It's so pretty. These are the lip tints, so they're not super pigmented. They're just supposed to tint your lips, which is kind of makes sense why I bought so many nudes. This is Pink Break. I've already worn this multiple times. The finish of them is really soft and velvety, which I love about the 3CE lipsticks. If you guys want me to do like a full review on these, I can, but I feel like it's kind of redundant because since I bought like 6 of the same color almost. But to be fair, if you go on the website, the selection of lipsticks is pretty much all like pinky nudes and reds because that's what's in style in Korea. You're not gonna find like blues and greens and like weird colors in Korean makeup lines anyway. So this is like what you're gonna get, really. It's not like this NYX lipstick that I have in a bright blue color. Don't ask me why I have this, I don't know. Another thing that you guys asked me to buy is the peripera the ink velvets, but the Airy ones, not just the regular ones. So I got 3 of the Airy ones. Like, see how the sticker is ruining my product shot? But I got them in also very similar colors to I feel like these are just Korean colors, okay? This one is My Brown Coral, Glimpse Brick Brown, and this one is Dry Rose Brown. So they're all varying shades of pinky brown, reddish brown colors. This is My Brown Coral. When I take them out of the package, this is what they look like. So it's like that frosted glass kind of bottle, and then when you take it out, this is what they look like. I've tried these on already as well. So comfortable. Like, when they say airy, they mean airy. I could wear these all day. I could fall asleep. I could fall asleep in this lipstick, girl. Understand where I'm coming from, guys, because I started makeup with being obsessed with Anastasia. I had Anastasia lipsticks, like, let me just grab one right now. Here's one in Sugar Plum. These lipsticks will destroy you. Instant butthole. You have to mentally prepare yourself to wear Anastasia lipstick, girl. And then next thing I got was an eyeliner pencil, because I've never tried a Korean eyeliner. I mean, like, I feel like eyeliners are eyeliners, but I just wanted to try it, and I actually, I love it. I'm wearing it right now. Hello. I've heard such good things about Cleo, especially from Lemuk's channel. She uses Cleo all the time. I've never had a brown eyeliner either. I always thought, oh, that's not really gonna show up on me. Like, why would I get a brown liner? That's like for people with light skin. Wrong. It actually looks really nice. Much more natural, which I love. This is the Cleo waterproof pen liner in Kill Brown, and it's actually one of my favorite liners now. Oh my god, I want to buy so much more stuff from Cleo. And then I also bought this eyebrow pencil. Like, look, Yesstyle. It was so hard for me to open this. Literally, look how I had to demolish this sticker, guys. But I actually haven't tried this on my actual eyebrows yet. I've just done little swatches on my what is this called? It's a hand. I got it. So I've only swatched this on my hand, but it's pretty typical of like any other eyebrow pencil that I have. The one that I usually use is the Goof Proof brow pencil, which I actually don't even really like, to be honest. I don't really like those like flat applicators. I like really sharp applicators, but I know that those break really easily, so that's annoying. And if you guys haven't noticed, your girl ain't got no eyelashes, okay? And I've also stopped wearing false lashes because I want my lashes to grow. I want to grow out my lashes, and then I want to get a lash lift. The girl who does my eyebrows, who snatches my eyebrows, don't look at them right now, they're hideous. She also does lash lifts. So basically they're just like lifting your lashes so that they're permanently lifted and you don't need an eyelash curler, basically. I want to get that. I don't want eyelash extensions because I feel like A, they're super expensive, B, I use oil cleansers, so that's a no. And also, a lot of the times, like, you have to go to someone like really good, because almost 90% of the time they look so fake. Anyways, I just went on a tangent. So you guys can tell I'm a super focused person. I get right to the point. So this was all a lead up to me saying that I want to grow out my lashes, so I bought this lash serum from Etude House. Why was that such a long explanation? I bought the My Lash Serum from Etude House. I have not tried this yet, but I want to film myself trying it for 30 days to see if it actually makes a difference. I will keep you guys posted on if this actually works or not. And now, time for my favorite part, even more excited than the lipsticks. I bought eyeshadow palettes, guys. I've never owned a Korean eyeshadow palette ever. Ever. I'm so excited. I bought 3 different eyeshadow palettes, and I didn't know anything about Korean eyeshadow palettes, really. So I had to do my research. I watched tons of videos from Korean YouTubers and K-beauty YouTubers on what eyeshadow palettes they were using. And I really don't have anyone for reference that has a skin tone like me except for Kendall. So I watched a lot of Kenny's videos to see which eyeshadow palettes that she was using. So I bought this one because of Kenny, so thank you. And it is the Heimish Brick Brown palette. This is what it looks like on the inside. So brick brown, you can guess what it looks like. This is the packaging. It looked hella cheap. Like, looks like this is something that I would buy as like 12-year-old Darcey. And this is what the colors look like. I have not tried any of them yet, but they look bomb. Look exactly like my kind of colors. It comes with 2 mattes on each side, so 4 mattes and then 4 shimmers in the middle. So I know I'm gonna be using this pink one because that's my jam. Also this one. I'm gonna be using these colors for sure. Yeah, so thanks Kenny for suggesting this. I'm sure it will be great because you always suggest the best stuff, girl. So this next one I bought because of Edward Avila. He used this in one of his tutorials and I was like, that's bomb, so I'm gonna buy that. And it's the Etude House Wine Party palette. These are the colors in the palette. As you can see, this is my color scheme. Basically, this is Darcey and a palette, okay? It is kind of very modern Renaissance, but without the oranges. We'll see what the color payoff is on this later, but I'm really excited to try this one out as well, so thanks Edward. And then I bought this last palette because of Ivan Lamb. My heart. He used it in one of his videos and I was like, I need that. So it is this palette from Holika Holika. Look how cute it is. Oh my god, there's literally a cupcake on it. I love cupcakes. They're so cute. Look at it. You guys can see I have used this palette. It's on my face right now and I've been using it for like the last 4 days. I love quads because they're so easy to use. It's like, this your first color, this your second color, this your little shimmer, and this your shading. Done. Easy. So I've been wearing like these 2 colors together, the top 2. Such an easy, natural, shimmery look. But today I added this one. So this is what the color looks like. It's not super pigmented like it looks in the pan, so it's not going to create like a super dark color on a dark skin tone, but it's going to give you that nice wash of pink that you're looking for. And then you put the shimmer on top. It's done. It's over. It's over for these hoes when you put the shimmer on top. Oh wow, that was fun guys, but looks like we're done. I'm actually kind of sad that it's over. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you pick some of this stuff up at Yesstyle, and all of this stuff was amazing. Definitely gonna probably put in another order right now, to be honest. Anyways guys, I will see you in the next video. I love ya so much.